Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Merry Christmas! We've reached the final day in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways this year, and I've definitely saved the best for last. But before I get into all this cool technology, in days gone by, there was a Viking who lived on the coastline in Denmark, and he was looking out his window up into the sky just before the holidays, and he said to his beautiful wife, Ingrid, "Honey, it doesn't look like we'll have snow for Christmas this year." Now that upset Ingrid. So she looked at him and said, "How could you possibly know that?" And he looked deep into her eyes, he smiled and said, "Because Rudolph the Red knows reindeer." On the 12th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new Chasing Dory Underwater Drone. You've got to be kidding me. This is hands down the coolest technology we've ever given away in the channel. It was sent to us by our very good friends over at Chasing Innovation. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel with this product. I love their gear. I've got their Gladius Mini. I've been out swimming that like crazy. I'll be doing a review on that. I've got a couple of reviews coming up on this guy as well, so stay tuned to the channel. But if you don't know what this product does, if you fly a drone today, you're airborne, right? You're above the ground. This takes you underwater, so it's the same kind of experience, but it's swimming underwater. So if you've got a lake or a bay or an ocean near you, you can put this thing in the water. It'll go down to 15 meters deep. It's got a high resolution 1080p camera on the front, so it takes great video, it takes great pictures. It's got two gigantic Cree lights that light up the underwater world so you can see everything that's down there. It'll run for about an hour on a full charge, and it's a fully rechargeable product, and you can swim it around with your cell phone. It's just a really, really cool device because even though you can put a drone up, we all love doing that, most of the world is underwater, so there's a whole lot of exploration to go on, and I'm a huge fan of kind of figuring things out and getting underwater and seeing what's going on. So this product will do it for you. Now, the contest could not be easier to enter, just like all the ones we've run so far. Basically, below there's a link. Click that link, put your email address in there. Now, we're not going to keep that. We'll draw a winner after 7 days. We'll put this thing in a box and we'll send it to you. And again, we don't care where in the world you live. You could live in Cucamonga. I'm not even sure if that's a real place, but we'll ship it to you there. But we just want you to get this product. And again, I have such fun putting these clips together. Every year I look forward to Christmas because it's my favorite time of year, and I do my little Christmas dance like this, and that's what I was doing this morning. Anyway, I love Christmas. I know you guys like it, and I'm just having a ball putting these clips together, and this has been a wonderful year for Drone Valley in general. I could not thank you more for the support you've shown the channel, and all the subscriptions and all the comments you've given us. We just love it. It inspires us to do more, and we've got a lot of stuff planned for the new year, so definitely stay tuned. And one final wish for all of you, I'll get serious for a minute. This has been a bit of a contentious year countrywide in the U.S., and I just think, I'm hoping that you and your family and your loved ones find all the joy and happiness and laughter that you desire this year. It's a good year ahead. Be optimistic, have a lot of fun, fly your drones, swim your drones, and just stay tuned to the channel because we've got a lot of really good content coming up. So thanks again for watching, and Merry Christmas.